Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix not your AirPods Pro not connected to this phone. So guys, if you're facing this problem while connecting your AirPods Pro with your iPhone, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So as you will have to simply watch this video till the end to fix this problem in your device. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. The very first solution is that you will have to simply open up your settings, and from here you will have to tap on your Bluetooth and simply turn off your Bluetooth for 30 seconds and turn it on again, and after this try to reconnect your AirPods with your device. So guys, after this, if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to force restart your device. So for that you will have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, restart your device, and after this try to connect your AirPods Pro again with your iPhone. So as after this, if you are still facing this problem, then go for the third one, that is you will have to reset your AirPods Pro. So as for that you will have to simply open the case of your AirPods, and then you will have to press and hold the power button behind the box for 30 seconds to reset your AirPods Pro. So I simply reset your AirPods Pro, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your AirPods will be connected with your iPhone. So these are the solutions to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.